I'm gonna review the smart fingerprint door lock from Amazon. So there's 4 different ways you can unlock it, either with a fingerprint, digital code, keyed entry, or an IC card as well will unlock it. So the doorknob comes with everything you need for installation. And then I'll show you how to install it. The next clip will show you how to set up the 4 options. Any fingerprint will work if you do not set up a fingerprint for the lock.
Please add fingerprint, password, or card. Input again. Input again. Input again. Input again. Operation successful. Please check administrator. Verification successful. Please add fingerprint, password, or card. Operation successful. Please check administrator. Verification successful. Please add fingerprint, password, or card. Input again. Operation successful.
The button on the back here, if you push it for 1 second, it will either keep the door locked
Unlock.
or unlocked.
Lock. Door lock opened. Door lock opened.